Okay, welcome again, guys. This is Albert, and I'm glad to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. I'm making this tutorial on how to trade on Metatrader 5 for beginners. Introduction to Metatrader 5, how you can easily understand markets, the markets or the trading pattern, or the entirety of the platform of Metatrader 5 in general. I can actually understand it and know how to trade on Metatrader 5. Alright, so right now I'll be opening Metatrader 5 app. So I'll be opening the Metatrader 5 app right now, and you will see. Okay, so this is actually the first page, though I just restarted the app, but then removed because these are the major currency pairs that I trade personally. But then I'll show you how to add or remove currency pairs that you trade, or add the ones that you, or to remove the ones that you don't trade or something from the list. Alright, this is the quotes page. This is the very first page, like the home, but then it has the unique identity, which is the quotes. Or you can decide to add some other currency pairs by clicking on this icon. So you can do that by clicking on this particular icon that you see here. So once you click on the icon, it will bring this, and then click on forex if it's metals or indexes. So you click on and then you add the currency pair that you want to appear. Let's say this, then I click on that already, and then it's added to the list. Or that is just how to add, and you can decide to also remove by clicking on the pen icon here. I'm clicking on this pen icon here. So as I click on it, you can use it to delete the currency pair. Just click on the delete icon and click when you want to delete, and then click the delete icon again to remove it. So, and then this where I just clicked was this. So that shows the accounts that you have logged in. For example, now I just have to log in just the demo. I already unlinked to my real account. So this is the demo account by Metatrader app. And then this is how to, so if you want to switch to another account, if you want to add another account, so you can just do that here. You can watch my video on how to link your broker to your Metatrader 5 app for you to know how to link that. I have a video on that on my channel. Alright, so this is the account. So that is it about this first page, quotes. And then let's go to the next tab, which have charts. Right, explaining these charts now. Now in this chart there are a couple of things which I will explain one after the other. Alright, so the first I will explain okay, this explain this, then I will explain this, explain this, explain this, okay, and this, and also this, and okay, and maybe this as well. So, and then generally the entirety of the chart. All right, so let's get into it. All right, the first thing we have here, right here is the currency pair that the chart is actually on. The currency pair, whether Euro, USD, AUD, USD, JPY, or any other currency that the chart is actually on, or the chart is showing. That is what is displayed right here. So you can actually change the currency pair by clicking on it and then selecting other currency pairs from the list. All right, so these are the three currency pairs that are here from this quote that you see here. From this quote, those are the three. Okay, I think I deleted the wrong. So this is what I trade. I don't trade this. So I'm going to delete this. So that is that. And then beside the currency pair, we have something like M1. So that shows the minute or the time frame. Let me just say the time frame, not the minute, because it can be hour too. Time frame of the chart, what the chart is displaying. For example, once I click on anywhere around the screen, anywhere around the chart, once I click just once, it shows something, this kind of round thing. I can change the time frame by clicking on any of these things that are here. You can see M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, H4, D1, W1, and MN. So all these are actually the time frames that we have. M1 is 1 minute, M5 5 minutes, M15 15 minutes, then up to H1, which is 1 hour, H4 4 hours, and then next is D1, which is 1 day, next is 1 week, and then next is month. So let me switch the charts to M5. So this is the 5 minute time frame to M30. This is a 30-minute time frame, M15, and so on. All right, so these are just the things about time frame. And then I'll talk about this buying and selling. This buying and selling, most you likely know it already if you are not so new to forex. This sell and this is buy. So this is the trade that you enter. If you don't understand it, then I advise that you watch my video on introduction to forex trading, how to trade forex for beginners. But this is actually explaining the interfaces of MT5 app for trading. All right, so these are the buying and selling tabs, and they can be hidden. You can hide them using this. You can hide them using that. So I'm going to do that right away. So I just clicked on that. I said you can use to hide it. So you can use it to hide it and then show your chart completely, or add it so that you can easily buy or sell. And this right here is the lot size. This right here is the lot size right here, and then this is used to increase the lot size, and this of course is used to reduce or decrease the lot size. So I'm going to do some things now. So I'm reducing it. I want to reduce it, let's say by 0.3 or to 0.3, or minus, there's something like minus 0.01. So I remove 0.01 from the lot size, and then this is to increase it, add some things to it. All right, or you click direct to just put like 10 lot size or something like that. So that is that on that. So I will be explaining this next. Okay, I explained this time frame already, so I will explain this now. This is actually the indicator style. So in the old the previous version of MT5, just before this one, because at this time that I'm making this video, June 2nd 2023, this is the latest version of MT5. But before this, the previous Metatrader 5, and then for this tab for this indicator is actually something that looks like FX. So but then the symbol was changed to this, and then so I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click on it right now. So indicators, the indicators I have on my chart that I use my chart are this. So you can try to add other indicators. You can watch my video on indicators and how to use indicators on my channel. I have videos on that. So those are indicators, and then time frame I talked about, and this is used to add a sell limit or buy stop. So you can click on, I'm clicking on this particular thing somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, and then I'll use the stop loss and take profit now, so you can actually understand it, and then just watch somewhere around here. Watch somewhere around here so you can see the changes I'm making. Okay, so I'm clicking on that, the buy stop limit, sell limit. So I'll make a video on explaining what these things are actually about, and then you can set your stop loss. This is stop loss, and you can set your take profit. This is take profit. All right, so that's that. I'm going to cancel that out, and then finally I talked about this, the last one here. I said you can use to add, you can use to show or to hide the buy or sell these things, these buy or sell icons here. You can use it to hide or to show them. Then going to trade. So this trade is the trade, all the trades that you have entered that you left open, they appear here for closing, or to close your to close on profit or to close on loss, whatever the reason may be. So this place shows the trade that you entered, the trades that are ongoing. It shows your balance or equity, and then the free margin. So right here, this tab. Okay, I'm going to do something right now. This is M1 time frame. Okay, so I feel, okay, let me just enter something like buy. I feel this market may buy, so I entered buy. All right, so now considering this, let me go to M5. Now I entered buy, and then once I click on this trade icon button below the screen, then you see the trade I entered, this buy, it's here. So this place will show me how the market is going, whether I'm in profit or I'm in loss. So I just enter the trade. You can see $1. Okay, it's now $0.550, $1.50. So it shows the rate, because actually this, at the time I'm making this profit, you see, I think I feel the market will buy, and it's buying already, it's already in profit. So but this time the market is very less volatile, it's not really stable. I don't trade by this time because it's late in the night. So but then I just felt, when I just saw it on the indicators, I will do a video on how to use indicators and how to get. So this is the trade that you can close by clicking. When you click, there's something called stop loss and take profit. You can watch my videos to understand that. So I'm going to slide to the left, from this side of my screen to the left, and then there are five icons. The first one is this to close. So once you click on it, and then you can close it. It sees on loss already, so you can close. Okay, the loss is even reducing, so you can close with either profit or at loss. So once you are in profit, if you are a scalper, especially if you are a scalper, so when you want to close, you have to be smart about closing your trades. So I have a video on scalping, what scalping means, and how to scalp. So I'm just going to close this. If I decide to wait some while, I still feel this trade will actually buy. So but then it may have to retrace a little, but then it eventually buy. Okay, so that is that. And then history, the next tab is history. The trades that are open or that are closed, they all appear here. For example, let me do something. Let me just close this, or let me enter another buy something. Let me use this bigger size 3, and then okay, it's too much, because let me use 0.5, and then I entered buy. Okay, I'm going to trade now. So let me now close this. Let me close it so you can see it in the history. Now history. Okay, this could be network or something. It also appear in the history immediately. Okay, let me just wait a while. Okay, while I wait and come back to that, let me take you through other tabs like messages. These messages, before you can access it, that means you have probably logged in to the MQL5 community. So there is something, when you click on this 3 icon at the top left corner, there's something like traders community. You can log in to the MQL5 community, because this is Metatrader 5. And then once you're logged in, you can be able to see messages and stuff. So that is what that is actually about. And then what else do I have to mention? Okay, and then this particularly is the chart. The body of the screen is actually the charts page. It shows your indicators, your trades, the market, the price of the market, and how the market is going. This I don't actually, this is nice. The market is very less volatile. I don't know, some things are not showing, but to show today. Okay, I just clicked today. Okay, this is the trade that I closed today. I'm showing profit minus 5.50, deposit because I didn't deposit, I did swap, and then the balance, because calculating the profit with order 000, because I did deposit and so I have no commission, so the balance is minus 5.50, and then it shows the trade, particularly Euro USD buy 0.5 lot size, and then the profit or the loss is 5.50. So, and this is the trade that is still ongoing. The market is very less volatile now, and then it's a Friday. There's no trade tomorrow. So this is how Metatrader 5 works. And then I will make other videos for other trading apps, so you can do also subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to notified if I drop a new video. I hope this helps you, and you can drop what you feel in the comment section, and please share this video with a lot of friends. You can see this trade is now 0.00, so please share. Is now in negative 0.5. The market is less volatile, to be faster than this, because there's very less volatility, so the trade is very slow at that time. All right, so thank you. Please share this video with your loved ones who may need it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need it. Thank you. God bless. You can close this now. You can close this. All right, so it's all appearing in the trade history. So thank you.